day, it's not showing in my body. This one. Every day you do, it's not showing in my body. What was it? I still forgot ordinary Jesus. It's not fun. Let's take it. Yes. It's just a matter of never speaking. It's just a matter of repetition and also repetitive practice. It's not, at times when we read for me now, I know myself. If I remember that, normally I don't like finding it. But I want to remember something, I must write it. So if I was going to write something like 10 times or 5 times, I won't forget. It's not possible. So after I read it, I write it down. It's not possible to forget. It will be there. Even if I forget, it will be once. And the second time, I can't forget again. Do you get it? So when you read and you practice the exercise over and over, it becomes what? So to stick. You can't forget again. You can't. But at the beginning, there's tendency to forget. Even at times when you are conjugating, when it comes to regular verbs, you know, does it have stage? Does it have assembler? If you are not used to it, you know the conjugation of what you think that time. Does it have assembly or assembler? But with repetition, so that one becomes what? It becomes perfect. So now we are looking at pronouns. So here we have what? Different kinds of pronouns. We are going to start with the subject pronoun. So that is page. Let me look for page for us. So in this one, we can test this. So that's alright. So we have page down. Page 252. Page 252. So page 252 we have what? Pronouns. Pronouns. Page 252. Turn off or silent. So we're going to start first with the subject pronouns. It is the subject pronouns in French. They are as follows. So we have je, tu, il, elle, on. If you look at on has different meaning. On means one. Normally, literally, it means they. You can use it for group of people. They. You can use it for what? People as people, and also as we. You can use it in place of no. As we. You comprehend?
So sorry, what's that difference between this on and vous? Because vous is for they too.
No, who means you?
You plural.
Or you formal.
Okay, il or elle. What's the difference between this
This on is just like, it's used generally to address a single entity or group of people. A single personality or group of people. The difference is that normally we use il, but if we don't want to use il, we also use on. Do you get it? Okay. This is the noun. So you complete it with what? With the different article on or in. So this one like this is what? A noun. So so now we now go to the next one. It says what? It says the subject pronoun in French are as follows. So then that, then we have nous. Nous means we. Then who that is you. Il, they, elle, they. So there are 3 ways to express you in French. 3 ways. The first one is tu. That one is informal. So it says what? You use that to address your friend, relatives, and close associates. The close people that are close to you. While vous is used to address someone you don't what? You don't know well, someone older than yourself, or to address 2 or more people. Someone you don't know, a single person. Someone that is older than you. or maybe two or more group of people, then you use who to address them. So whatever their relation to you is, so you use what you use to do. So if we have examples here, we have to a gentle, peer, you are gentle with them. Now it's informal. Then we have present gentle, mostio, loplek, you are gentle, Mr. what? Loplek. Then the next one we have present gentle, peer a marry. Now it's two people now. Present gentle, peer a marry, no one person. So that's mostio, loplek. Now is the superior. That's why we use to do. That's in that case. Then we have present gentle, mostio a madam, loplek. You are gentle, you are kind, you are nice. Gentle means nice, kind. So you are nice, Mr. and Mrs. So we can see the difference. The adjective of present here, as does it carry S for only mostly loplek? Is there S at the back of it? After, when you look at present gentle, mostly loplek, is there any S after that gentle? No. That shows what? Do you get it? But when that one is plural, it will carry S. When it's the adjective carry S, when it's more than one person. So that's why we have present gentle, plural with S. Mary, A, Pierre, Peter, and Mary. You get it? So that's why we have S there. So it can be used as single, in singular form, and also in plural form.
Is it that the name itself will carry S?
No, not the name, the adjective.
The adjective. The adjective will carry S.
No, we have this gentle, does it have S? This one.
The first one.
The first one. No, because what? This adjective is referring to one person. That would there is what? Referring to just one person. So it will not take S. Or this one is referring to two people. That would, this one who here is plural. That's why it has S, the gentle. You get it? So this one is singular. So it will not take any S. So we have who as singular. We also have who as plural. You complete. So we have what? If is used for a person or team when referring to masculine noun. So when I want to say if now, I will say if. If I also want to say it, and that object, that thing is masculine, I will say what? If. Now, M is used for a person or thing when referring to feminine nouns. If is used to refer to more than one masculine noun. We use if. That's more than one masculine noun. So when you have plenty masculine, use what? Masculine after masculine, use if. Or combination of masculine and feminine. YM refers to more than one feminine noun. So let's look at the example there. Lojunal, esulatabo. So that lojunal is the noun. It changes to what? You get it? So we use speed because lojunal is masculine. Then we have saison son distingué. Then when it changes to pronoun, it becomes il son distingué. These men are distinguished. So we have il son distingué. Then the next one, that fleur est jolie. The flower is beautiful. Then that changes to what? The fleur. That changes to L-E jolie. La fleur est jolie. L-E jolie. Then we have les assiettes sont dans le placard. The plates are in the placard, the plate rack. Like where you put, you can call it plate rack or this thing. Like where you should keep your, how do I say it? Your plate, where you keep your plate, where you keep your plates. So that's placard. Where you keep it. After plates, where that's just placard. So we have les assiettes sont dans le placard. That is assiettes, that is feminine. Feminine what? Plural. Assiette is feminine, then les assiettes in plural form. So we have what? Elles sont dans le placard. Elles sont dans le placard. They are in the what? Right. So then we have Pierre. Now when we are to a guy and a girl. Pierre et Marie, go to 53 now. Pierre et Marie vont au cinéma. That changes to what? Ils vont au cinéma. The pronoun on is used for elle. Form of the and this on takes singular adjective normally. If I say now on air on top, this on air on top means one is happy, okay, or you are happy, or they are happy. But if I now use this on, this new song on top, new song on top. So you know that this one is in plural. This one on top is sing. So but if it is replacing this exactly, then this adjective will be in plural. Although I use on, okay, I still use my on, my end, but it will be no, like not the singular like this one. So I have added on C. So this on shows that what is replacing me, which is what we are happy, you get it. So it's never the one here because of this adjective. It's only the we, you get it. So you saw on is now it is change the
Shake the air in that contour. Can you also mean ah?
nowhere to translate. You know that this on air in this context is not one is now. It is we are happy. It is replacing you. So when we are translating to English, we cannot say one is happy. Since it's replacing what we so it's really the one here. So it's we are happy. Because the verb is right on air or to what we are doing and so on. Once we say on air or to you get it. So we are going to change this word to pronoun. So it says change the italicized or italicized words to a pronoun. So those words in italics, we change them to a pronoun. If it's married to N, this married to a she. If you see Pierre, that change to him. If you see George A. Andre, George and Andrew, that change to they. Then masculine. Ellen, A-N, that's women. Ellen and Anna, and so that will change to N, they. Then John A. George, that will be him. John A. George. Then Celine, these books. So it's the letter of your for the things. It's the letter of your plural. You can't know whether it is in or L. So and if it is plural, so we know the ones you use. Do you understand? Look on it. So now let's exercise 1 to 8. So you change the words in italics, like those ones written in these forms. So you change them to subject pronoun. Il, elle. So you change them to Joe, tu, il, or elle or he. So depending. So also it could be you, it could be you, it could be il, ou, elle. So most times when can you have you when you have something a moi? Do you get it? Let's say an a moi or an a moi. If you have like an a moi, that is an or but as George and a moi, then you have you. Do you get it? So this one will change to the subject. Then when you have
I think that's you.
no, when you have
we.
okay. So that no to change to you get it. If you have, for example, an a moi now, an and me, that will change to me. Do you get it? But if you have something like George et toi, George et toi, this one changes what? George and you. So this one changes to the plural we. Do you get it? George and you. That one changes to that's you. Because you're not more than one. So it's going to be two to be component. So you can attempt that.
Chairman, George and Swan, that's
George and you change to you. Because you are not more than one entity. You get it? So this one and a one will change to so then George is now change to
but wait, that is not like they. Who is like they?
who is what is now?
You is
Who is you?
So, but Swan, okay, George is Swan is you.
Is you too.
But
That is you
guys.
you. That's all.
Okay.
You know who plays singular role, also plays plural role. When you say who, the reference to one person, it's different from who moi, and then both of us what? We.
Okay, you and
We. Yes. So, vous comprenez? Oui, donc on a ça qui est passé, c'est Mademoiselle, Mademoiselle, Jean-Pac, wait for me. Because I can see Jean-Pac and everything again. So I can see it clearly. So we have Anne et moi. For jotting, one can use that method to make it short. But for writing, because I want to write something there, it's not easy for me. It's not easy.
This one, dictionary.
I need to tend to like it to not. There's no ventilation. All you can use it. And zero
This marker, it's
everything, right?
Some of them might not be sure, it's just the words that you'll be hearing. You know that there are sometimes that Mademoiselle will not be showing there.
Oh, okay, that's true.
Do you get it? It's just the voices you'll be hearing.
Maybe you'll be affect you.
Why did you come early today? Why to read that?
Because I still have to sleep. So I can tell my sleep. I don't know what's thing I do like this, so like this, so I'm watching the dance. Like, she look cute, mademoiselle. So we have pronouns, les pronoms d'objet direct et indirect, et les pronoms d'objet direct.
The book is a feminine word.
submitting them. Now we submitting.
I don't want to.
I'm not submitting.
So now let's go to the first you can just write only the answers since you have the test. So you can make it faster. Okay. So for number one, we have what? That would be L from Sen. So for number one, we have L from Sen. For number two, we have what? Il chante bien. This in similar way. I wrote it 2 times. So we have what? Il chante bien. Il chante bien. Then for number 3, we have il joue de la guitare. So that would be number 2 this il. Il joue de la guitare. Il joue de la guitare. For number 4, that would be L. So number 4 is this L. L. So that's L. Number 4 is L. So we have what? L. Étudie à la quoi? Faculté. That was L. Then number 5 is il as well. Il vole from vacances. So that's this il. So that's this il. Okay? So that's this. Il vole. Number 6 is what? Number 6 is il also. So that is this il. So we have what? Ces livres sont intéressants. Ces livres sont intéressants. So that is this il as well.
So that livre is a masculine word.
Yes.
If you put my hand inside it's feminine.
That's masculine, that's feminine.
Yeah.
Now, if you say that's pound. Now, if I say that is pounds, but you now look at the context and say that these pounds are interesting. No. It's only books that can be interesting. So that would be in. So that would be this okay? Then number 7, so that is L, because paintings, that is feminine. So that would be L. Number 7 is L. Why number 8? Number 8, that is E, because we have the boy and the girl. So now, complete. So that is the subject pronouns.
Yes, ma'am.
Now go to object pronouns. Come over subject pronouns. That is the word of the action. Object is the receiver of the action. In English, if I say I am the subject, the object is what? Doer. No, I am the subject in English. What's the object? When I change the object, I will become the receiver. The receiver. But I changes to what? An object. I changes to what? You.
I changes to one. No. To I as a subject.
I changes to me.
Me, okay.
I don't know. Wow.
You went to forward of this school.
You will still what?
You.
No. We change to us. They change to them. In English, when it becomes object. So now we're going to the object pronouns. So what's in French? We have different kinds of object pronouns. So we are going to start first with the word direct object pronouns. When I say direct object pronouns, as I'm doing something, you are the one receiving it straight and direct. And also actually in French, which pronouns we call direct object pronouns? Those are the pronouns that are preceded by a preposition. Okay? Pronouns not preceded by a preposition. Because most times our verbs, they are either preceded by a or to. A or so our verbs, they have every a or, but every does not even have a. It's just gem to them. I like it. So gem, I like it. You get it? So I'm sorry, I said we are choosing now. We are moving to direct object pronouns. Direct object pronouns. I said earlier that they are what? I do the action, you receive directly, right? But normally in French, which pronouns do we call direct pronouns? Those are pronouns not preceded by a preposition. And I see our verbs, they always have preposition, some of them, but some don't have. Those ones that they don't have, those ones take direct pronouns. But the ones that have prepositions like are and do, those ones take indirect objects and pronouns. Although in English, I can say I speak to you or I look at you in English. But in French, if I'm to write it, I won't say I look at you. I won't say I look at you. I won't put that at there in French. If my verb in French does not take at, okay? So that's how it is. So those prepositions that are indirect, they take their preposition in front of their verb in French. But the one that are direct, they don't have preposition in front of their verb in French. So now we're going to direct objects to solve it manually. Well done. So the indirect objects, the subject, the pronoun ending, the pronoun ending, direct objects pronouns. So what are you going to start with? With what? Individually. Or should I say? So this one, they look like definite article, but they are not definite articles. They are not what? Definite. So we have what? The direct objects pronouns. So they look like the definite article, but they are not definite. So this low, la, apostrophe and lay. Other pronouns. This low means him or it. No, this one means what? Him or this one means him or it. Or it. This one means air or it. Air or it. This la. Then this L apostrophe is in front of the vowel or silent. It also means him, air or why this one means them. This one is what? Them. So this is plural form. Them. So this is the first thing about direct object. Now, how do we change our noun to direct objects? For example, I have John. John reads the what? I want to change this word. This is the so I want to change to object. Because John is the subject. John is the subject, the two of that.
Yes.
This is the what? Receiver.
The receiver, the book.
Now, John reads the book. John reads the what? Book. If I change this in English to pronoun, that the book will change to what? It. John reads the book, change to John reads it. Right? Now, I'm just applying to your English knowledge so that it's easier to understand. Now, this is going to leave you now. It is the article of this noun that comes the one pick from this place. Okay? So this is only noun that is masculine. Which one is masculine form, feminine form, vowel or silent H, and the plural form now. So this is only the changes to what? To is it low, la, and apostrophe or low? Now, low, live. Masculine, change to what?
Low.
This low live, we change to what? Under the pronoun. To change to no. Because this low live is masculine. And it is the gender of this noun that determines the one we pick here. Okay? If your noun is masculine, you use low. If it is feminine, you use what? La. If it is for this one, either masculine or feminine, you must not your noun. If your verb starts with a vowel, that's how you use this one. When your verb starts with a vowel. But this one is plural form. Is what? Plural form. So you use this one when your verb starts with a
Vowel or silent H.
Okay. Starts with a vowel. Starts with a vowel. So and your noun is singular form, okay? And your noun is singular. And your equivalent noun is singular. Equivalent noun is singular. So that's when we use this. The equivalent noun is what? Is singular. Now, we have the example. John Loli. John is the book. This Loli is masculine singular. Because of that, it changes to lo, which is also masculine. John reads the book. John reads it, right? But we can't say John Lo. Never. We can't say John Lo.
But mademoiselle, sorry, I want to ask a question. You already said before that a noun cannot do without its article.
Yes.
But the article that lo that is there is showing that it's masculine already now.
Now, this one is article. This one is not article.
Okay.
Yes. This one is article. This one is not what? Article. I say that our direct object pronoun, they look like the definite what? Articles, but they are not.
Okay.
This lo now, it means him or it.
Okay.
This one is er or
It.
this one is him, er or it. While this one is them.
Then.
It looks like a definite article, but it's not. It is pronoun. Now, you use masculine pronoun to replace masculine noun. Feminine pronoun to replace feminine noun.
Now.
So now, this one now is Lolivo, the book, masculine. So the pronoun that we must use for this must also be masculine.
Lean.
So that's why we have lo here.
Okay.
This lo here is not the, it is it. Okay? So we have John reads Loli. John reads the book. It changes to John reads it. But this it cannot stay like this. It's not English.
Okay.
This our lo now comes to the front of our verb. We drop it here. So you put your object in front of your verb. So when you put it in front of your verb, then that changes to John Loli. John Lo. So that is right in French. So write John eats read. This is the reference. But in English it is John reads it. Okay? So we have John Loli. So our objects stand in front of the what? Verb. Just like we have no before the verb and pa after the verb. So but your objects and your objects always sticks to the verb. Always what? Sticks to the verb. So you have John Loli. John reads it. You comprehend? Another example.
Wait, mademoiselle, sorry. I'm sorry, everybody. So, John reads it. When we now want to add the book to it, we call.
We don't need book again. It already replaced the book. John reads the book. John reads it. That it is what? The pronoun used in place of the noun the book. Do you understand?
Okay, so how can we apply this to a sentence now? Okay, now let's say we are writing a sentence and we want to write John reads the book. Instead of us to write John reads the book like that, we will not change it to John
Now, in
Loli.
English, for example, now, I've mentioned something before. In English, I say John has a textbook. John reads the textbook. John's textbook is on the table. I'm repeating what? Textbook over and over. So to avoid repetition, I use what? By, in as much as we mentioned earlier. Do you get it? John has a textbook. He reads it every morning. What is the it there replacing? With the textbook.
Okay.
Do you get it? So to avoid
Repetition.
of the noun, I use my
Pronoun.
pronoun to replace the noun.
Okay.
So that my pronoun already conveys to my audience that I'm talking about what?
The book.
Okay. Or the others. Do you get it? You comprehend?
Oui.
Is it true? So that's how we use this. Now let's take another example. The airport. Pierre regarde les nuages. Pierre regarde les nuages. Regarde les nuages. So this les nuages means clouds. Les nuages means what? It means clouds. Pierre regarde les nuages. Peter is looking at the clouds. Now, this is what we want to change now. We're not changing the subject yet. It's still the object before now changing everything. Now, we've done the subject again. Now, Pierre will have this name word now. This is plural. So, which one will you take? Is it lo, la, L apostrophe or le? Le. It will take le. Now, Pierre will have something. This le means what? There. It's looking at there. But this we put car here because Logade does not take. It's in English that we say look at. In French, it is only Logade. This Logade means what? To look at. Comprenez? So now, this Pierre Logade de moi now. I'm putting my name in, but I cannot say Pierre Logade. It's not correct. So if I want to change, I want to bring it, drag this down here to the front of my verb. I will only have verb. So we have what? Pierre. So this changes to Pierre le Logade. Pierre le Logade. So Peter is looking at there. Comprehend? So that is how we use verb. So now, I want to give you an example of verb of the one in front of a verb. Now, either masculine or feminine, when your verb is this thing. Now, let's say that Andre écoute Andre écoute le CD. Andre écoute le CD là. Andre is listening to the CD. Lo CD. Now, this lo CD changes to what? It, which is it lo la or the
Lo.
yeah, that changes to lo because it is what? Masculine, right? Yeah. But when you now bring it in front of your verb, because your verb starts with a vowel, you cannot say no, it's never. So that changes to what? Andre what? L apostrophe. So it changes to L apostrophe from here because of what vowel here. So we have what? So that is Andre is listening to it. Andre is listening to it. So I want to use another example now. The very example is Hélène achète, non, Jack cherche la photo. Jack, no, this one is more important. So let's say Jem la fille, I like the girl. Jem la fille, I like the girl. This I like the girl. That la fille changes to what? La. But because my verb starts with vowel, it changes again to what? L apostrophe. So it changes again to L apostrophe. Then this is Joe. You know there's E here to separate.
Yes.
So it separates because I'm putting something next to it. So I have Joe, then L apostrophe. L apostrophe comes here. Then Joe Lem, which is what I like them. Joe Lem, I like them. Do you get it? J'aime la vie, Joe Lem. So this is how we do our direct object pronouns. We change them from nouns to pronouns in French. So we are going to look at exercise now. So look at exercise here. Exercise 4. The first exercise is exercise 4. So it says, what do the people do with the following? Complete the following sentence with the appropriate object pronoun. You have narrative. You now say to dash narrative. Okay? Now, this is narrative. I will do example so I can guess what they are trying to do.
I'm not aware.
So they've written the objects for you. They now want to change what's the room outside to what to pronoun. That's page. Which page is that? Again. 254. 254 now. Exercise 4. Exercise 4. Those songs, second cat. Those songs, second cat. So the first one, they say la radio. This is what they want you to do. La radio. So here we have la radio. La radio. Then you have the expression. So it is what is written here that you change to your pronoun. Then we have what? Joe. Dash includes now. Joe dash includes. This la changes to what? Changes to la. Then my verb is starting with vowel or consonant. Vowel. So it changes back to what? To L. So that's why we have Jole. we are going to use, okay, let's use size 4, 1 to 6. Then exercise 5, 1 to 6 also. That exercise 5, this is how we do it. Let me exercise 5 and exercise 4, 1 to 6, you do exercise 1 to 6, then 5. So I'll do number 1, so that we now do from number 2 to 6 there. So that number 5, it says what? Pierre résout. Pierre résout le problème de mathématiques. Le problème de mathématiques. Right from that. Le problème de mathématiques. So it's the one you eat, the one you eat is that you change to what? To the pronoun,
Object.
so we have mathematics. Now, you need to observe this. So this the problem of mathematics is the noun. That is just true that the problem I'm solving is what mathematics problem, like all these questions. So you get it. The problem, mathematics. I'm solving questions. All this one is just one noun. Okay? So and this changes to what? To le. Everything changes to le. Then I'll now bring it to the front of my verb. So that will now be Pierre résout. That is Peter solves them. Pierre résout.
Like this number 2 question.
Number 2.
Yes.
Check
Whereas the noun is go. Start with go.
Okay.
That is it. Leer.
I don't understand.
No, no, it's
Le professeur.
Le professeur. I can't see the professor.
L'élève.
Okay, after l'élève, le professeur, the study does not affect you. What you focus on is what? Les élèves. What does les élèves change to? What will les élèves change to? That will be when you put it there. So it does not affect that because they only have the end is the what? A consonant. So it does not affect whether your verb is vowel or your verb is consonant. It's only low and la that it affects. It's only low and la that is what it affects. Vous comprenez? Vous comprenez?
Oui.
Now, c'est clair? So you do number 4, 1 to 6, then number 5, 2 to 6. Because I don't know one for you. So number 5, 2 to 6. Okay. So for that number 5, we are going to write it in full sentence. That number 5 will be in full sentence. That's not limiting for you. Do you get it? So it was number 4, you need to write full sentence. Just write your answers straight up. Do you get it? But for that number 5, write it in full sentence. Okay? So let's solve that. So if you have any question, you can reach out to me. I'm available to help. Number 5, 1 to, that is 2 to 6. Number 5, 2 to 6. Number 6, 1 to 6. Number 4, 1 to 6. Exercise 4, 1 to 6.
And it possible for me to pick a plural verb now. Like general. And this will not be.
If you take them, the noun also has to be plural.
Now you change it.
No, you follow the noun you are being given. You follow the noun. If your noun is plural, then your pronoun will be plural. Okay? If your noun is singular, your pronoun will be singular. Do you get it? Are you confused? This thing does not have anything to do with the singular. You are not looking at the subject, not the verb, it's the receiver. So just ignore the verb. It's the receiver to focus on. If the receiver is plural, your pronoun will be plural. If the receiver is singular, your pronoun will be singular. So we are going to default to, for instance, we'll just write only the answer. So if, sorry, we're going to find this sentence. Okay.
If the pronoun is singular, is plural. If the pronoun is plural and the noun is singular, are we going to change the noun to singular and to plural?
Your noun is what you use for the pronoun. If your noun is singular, your pronoun will be singular. If your noun is plural, what you are being given, then your what? Your pronoun will be plural. Just like one with the word lolipo, that's singular. This lolipo is singular and changes what to lo. Then ménage, plural, changes to what? Changes to me, which is plural. Lo sede, singular, changes to what? Lo, and then L apostrophe, which is also singular. La fi changes to la, also singular. Okay? So, that's how it works.
Now, agent is a masculine word.
Eh?
Agent.
Agent, ça c'est masculin. So,
Agent.
aside from that,
When the people's regard again,
eh?
regard,
Regard. Regarder is what is to that is from the verb regard, just to look at. You can always check the gender in the dictionary. You can always check the gender in the dictionary.
Now, a word like histoire, you know it starts with H. And
Yes.
I know it's L and not straight.
Yes.
Does it have a gender?
Mr. Gender. Normally, Mr. is feminine, but for anywhere, you remove the article and you check for the agenda.
Sorry, what's the masculine of histoire?
Histoire, that is locant.
Story.
Story, not masculine. Histoire is just story. It's normally feminine. But if I look for another word, synonym, then I use locant. Locant. Vous comprenez? So please, let's be fast with our exercises. And let's do it very well. So in the next 5 minutes, you will be done, because it's not much. So by 2:55, you will know the exercise. So by 2:55, so that from 2:55 to 3 o'clock, we are already done with the correction. And then you can take your break, then you come back to continue the class. So you come back to me.
No course. No course. What does it mean? No course. Okay. Yes, number 5.
No. No.
Number 5. Yes, 24. 24. Number 5.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. 24. Number 5.
The form.
No, no, it's 5, number 5.
No come.
It's 5, number 5 now.
No come. No cool. Our courses.
Courses.
What do you know in that part? Also, we use name. Just focus on is it singular or plural? Okay. You know that below is what possessive adjective. Our, you get it?
Yes, yes.
Then cool. What is cool? That is lessons
Yes,
or classes or subjects. You get it? So that's class. So now, no, cool, our. So that what you change to under the. So,
Okay. Now, but you know you're done possessive adjectives. You've done it.
Okay, what did we do yesterday?
No, okay.
Jesus.
Okay, it's not really, it's not really. I don't know. Oh, Jim, God, oh.
Should be like what am I now doing since?
What have you been doing since?
Well, she was actually sleeping yesterday. So
maybe
even though I know that bad, at that point I was already awake. So we even did the president. And now that wasn't like no understand.
Jamie,
You just said I don't understand. No, no, no.
I don't remember that part.
so we have 2 minutes more.
Please, let us move. Let's release that from the hand.
This
What
is
about-
5.
Okay.
Yes.
You say a month.
No cool.
No.
Just focus on is it singular or plural.
So Loku is our.
That's
No,
our
now
class.
the one who likes
Our
finance
classes.
guys.
No,
No,
that's
that's
changed.
not
We have our classes to change to.
We like
We
all
have
like
our-
plural.
We like our classes. So we like our classes, French class, this class, that class. So we like our classes.
Wait, what's like means okay, we like our classes, that's it.
Yeah, so what are you
Then
going to do?
the one in English is what? Our classes. So what we use for our classes? Is it it? Is it them? Is it in? Is it them? Which one we use for our classes? We use
Our class.
Our now is plural. Plural.
It's not late.
Play.
Who you want to use low for it? You want to use low for something like singular?
Good job, good job. You're doing well. This is a lot for your side now.
She's going to work now. She's a 9 to 5 work. 9 to 5 in the morning. In the evening, she's French student.
As in,
Because it's working now.
100. Say I'm carrying the laptop behind you. I don't want to do something else. Like,
Maybe in Tokyo.
d'accord. Donc, vous avez terminé, je pense.
Yes, ma'am.
So now let's do the correction together. So it's nearly exactly 255. So the first one is what? The first one is Jola Rogad. Jola. Because like the second is Jola. So it's Jola Rogad. Goes there for Jew. I watch it 2 hours every day. The second one is the professor Maisonsin. The teacher teaches them. Play. So that will be play. Then number 3, that is what? Low. Low mayo de men. That is backward. So we have what? L, le porte en été. He wears it in summer. Then we have what? Le what? The moyen de verbe would be swimming, how do I say? Swimming suits. Or is it swimming suit or what?
Écoutez.
Écoutons, le moyen de verbe. So, what is for swimming?
Sorry, écoutons.
Is it not this one?
No, not that one.
Yeah.
That's number 3.
Yeah.
Number 3 is low. L low ports on a table. Number 4.
Okay,
That
the
is-
essay you're saying.
I'm talking about number 3.
Okay.
No,
No,
L.
no.
Number 4 is lay.
Lay.
Because what the CD, the CDs. So it's in lays it. Then number 5 is lay as well. So that is jubilant. I eat very much. Then number 6 is low. But it's L apostrophe. No,
Yes,
because
L
I got
apostrophe.
Ashoke. So we have Jola, Shet, Shak, Maten. So that's L apostrophe. Number 6. Now we go to number 5 now. So number 5 will be exercise 5. Number 2, that is what? Jole cream. L apostrophe in front of your A. So number 1, for exercise 5, number 1 is what? Jole cream. Why number 2? That is what? Number 3 rather. That is Anloli. So this is the correct thing. Anloli. Then number 4. Il les font. So they do them. Okay? They do them. Il les font. They do them. Then number 5. Number 5 is this way. 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 2, 3, 4. Then we have 5. So this number 5, that is what? That is Zemo. That is Zemo. We like them. Then number 6, that is what? That is Tula Compro. You understand it? Tula Compro. Vous avez combien? How many do you get? Very good. Vous avez combien?
I thought the one to those who are those. The one to 7 or not is the first one.
What's over? Number 4 is 1 to 6. Give it more. So if you do number 7 will be learn. Number 8 will be apostrophe. Number 9 will be low. While number 10 will be la. So number 10 will be la. So number 7 is le. Number 8 is the apostrophe. Number 9 is low. While number 10 is la. So you have to get
Number 9 is what?
Number 9, that is low. L'argent is masculine, so it's below because women start with what they want. So then this 2 are. Is it this 2 are? No. I thought you were already reading number 5. I've got number 5. This is number 5.
So like I know you were reading the 7 and 8.
No, there's this one that's that one. I don't think so. But if they're
There is outside.
I think I'm supposed to do that one.
Yeah,
Actually. 7 and remember,
Yeah, we did it. 1 to 10.
We did it.
So okay.
And I think we should do because that last 7 to 10 has a lot of
Yes, Michelle. Okay, let's should that be the case. Let's treat the other parts then. So this
Yes.
part we have vous aidez les autres élèves. So that will be vous les aider. So it's just the because that's from les autres élèves is in English, so it will be what? Vous les aidez. Number 7. Vous les aider. So you have them. Then number 8. To étudier le français 5 fois par semaine. So that will be tous les then 5 fois par semaine. Because it's only the one it's only the français that is what it. it makes. So you say to make the same fois, this same fois is just time. So it doesn't concern our object. Same fois par semaine par. So it's 5 times in a day. You study French 5 times in a day. So just like you study from Monday to Friday. So to l'étudier 5 fois par semaine. Then number 9. So number 9 is what? Anne-Marie prépare bien des examens. So then we have what? Chaque soir. This thing they function chaque soir. So they do it every evening. That's for number 4. We have chaque soir. So every that's the time. So that one is on that. So then for number 8 we have what? Number 9 now. So we don't number 8. Then for number 9 we have Anne-Marie prépare bien des examens. So it's not me. Anne-Marie prépare. C'est les prépare. Prepare. Prepare silent. Prepare. This ENT is never pronounced, it's always silent. It's always silent. They prepare you. Then we have elle reçoit le prix donné. So number 10. So this elle reçoit le prix donné changes to what? Elle le reçoit. Elle le reçoit. So that's on it, just modifying hello. Is this singular or plural? That's plural. No. That would be hello, swap. Continue. Hello, swap. So now we can take our breakdown, please. So let's open up by 317. 317. Let's open up.